Okay, so we're going to prep the solution for cleaning the tankless hot water heater. I got my bucket. I got my ZEP D-Lime descaler, and it's 5 parts water, 1 part descaler. So we're gonna mix it up now. Okay, so now we're down at the tankless hot water heater. We're going to isolate water to and from the unit, the hot, the cold, and we're also going to unplug the unit. Now you're going to see these valves. You take the cap off the valve, take the cap off the valve, and then you have your sump pump with the hose. So that's going to go into the bucket. And then this hose is going to be discharged off the pump, which is going to go into the cold side. So to here. And then from the hot side, back into the bucket. Okay, so pumps out of the bucket, into the cold side, through the exchanger, back to the bucket. So now you need to turn these valves into the on position so it opens up to here. So that one goes to there. And this one goes to here. And then you open up these 2 small valves. This one opens up. And this one opens up. Okay, so you can see I'm connected here. The pump is flowing through the exchanger on the green hose, and it's coming back to the bucket on the clear hose. So it's just a vicious cycle. You just circulate the water through the exchanger.